Day 7. We are in a less glamorous site. It's a parking lot. Communal area. There's no one who actually works here. It's pretty quiet this morning. It was so loud here last night. I see a couple happy camper vans. There's two of the exact same one that we have. It's pretty cool. We're out here in the northeast.
They have this system like pretty good. They don't need like a reception.
Interesting. Make it very automated. Passing all these waterfalls. They're literally everywhere.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's alright, it's not a big deal. It's getting very wintry. Currently descending a mountain. Off-roader Kathy Goosen. Like another Wednesday for her. There was a sign there that said the road was closed, the one that we were descending.
Maybe not in the summer.
We off-roaded so much to get here. Stuðlagil.
Maybe not in the summer.
We made it to Stuðlagil. Shifting our schedule a bit to be here, but I think we can make it work out. This looks so cool here. Alright, let's check this place out. Kathy has already taken a look. It's my turn. There's a bit of stairs. Do it. It's alright. Wait, there are more stairs. Up and down mountains. What you do in Iceland. This is cool. Yeah, I knew I saw several different platforms. Construction area. So that one's not ready yet. I'm the only one down here. Wow. This one looks precarious. That's cool. Those salt columns. Wow. This one too. There were both sides. There were more on this side that I noticed. Oh, that was pretty cool. Basalt columns, naturally formed. Of course, everything we're seeing in Iceland is naturally formed. It took us quite a bit to get here. Ooh, who knew Iceland had stairs? Why? This reminds me of Coron, Philippines. We're climbing up that mountain. Man, I was out of shape then. The only consolation I get is knowing that this beauty exists despite my out of breathness. Also, I recorded the Stairmaster. What did you think of the basalt columns?
That's pretty cool. I feel like we were farther away, so it's hard to see.
Yeah, there were a whole string of them on this side of the mountain.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
There are way more. Right, so here's how those columns are formed. Lava flows out from a volcanic eruption and spreads across the land. As it cools, it contracts. This contraction causes cracks to form in a regular pattern, usually hexagonal, because that's the most efficient way to relieve stress evenly. The cracks propagate downward or sometimes upward as the lava cools, forming long vertical columns. So these columns are basically natural cooling cracks in a lava flow that's solidified in a super symmetrical way, nature's geometry at its finest. Just wanted to take a look at the state of my hard drive backups for all these video files. I think we're elevated, like we're at the top of a mountain. I think we're at a high elevation right now. That's how far north we are. Seeing a lot of snow up here. In the beginnings of some really tall mountains. These are like little baby mountains. This is a mountain nursery. Careful. These are one vehicle bridges. Take a turn, take a turn. How'd we do?
What? Oh, look at it.
Look at that mountain.
Mountains everywhere.
Too many mountains.
I don't think you can have too many.
Can you have too many mountains? Tall markers. I think they're markers, but they're just tall stone structures that somebody built. What do they mean? We're in an area now with a wide field of volcanic rock, or just rock. We know these are formed from the recession of glaciers, or from a glacier event. Alright, Dettifoss. It's so wintry up in North Iceland. Look at all the rocks here. It's cool. It's gonna be a quick visit because we have our spa coming up. Dangerous conditions on the rise. Beautiful. Got some melty mud. Which is no problem for me. Woo! I can feel the Arctic winds up here. I'm pretty sure we are elevated. There's no indication of how long this hike would be to get to the falls. But I'm doing it. Yeah, I can hear them. Can't be that far off. Looks like a rock wall over there. So beautiful here. Not regretting these boots. This is the direction to where they say it's the best view. Look at these rocks. It's like we're in some alien world. So just being on the rocks is the view.
I think it's over there.
Oh, I see. We weren't supposed to go on the rocks. It's just our instinct to climb on rocks ever since the glacier. You can't not climb on rocks. The weather is all over the map in Iceland. Whew, it's a hike. They're here. Now you have to climb on rocks. Oh, I see. See the viewing deck from here? It is almost lunchtime and the sun will never be directly above our heads. It's always in like a kind of sunrise, sunset-y angle. This place is pretty awesome. Whoa! Just holding our phone over the edge. It's freaking me out, man. These falls are massive. That's a lot of water. That's crazy.
Summer, like it, I don't know what's here. I'm not sure.
It looks like a shelf. Looks like a shelf. It just happens to be covered in snow. I thought it was like an ice shelf, but it's definitely the land. Wow. I like this little platform here. Oh wow, the view. What do you think?
It's really nice. I like how big it is.
Are these not the largest waterfalls in It's amazing. Iceland is so amazing. Thank you, Iceland, for being here for the people. This is so cool. We're up high. It's so Arctic here. So I just looked at a map quickly and it looks like the Arctic Circle just hits the tip of North Iceland. I don't know if it's on it or off it, but we are as close to the Arctic Circle as we're ever going to be, like right now, unless we take a trip to the Arctic. And I can feel the coldness. It reminds me of the glacier, coldness coming off it. Brisk, fresh, cold.
There's a Gulf Stream that's just a warm up ice. It's warmer than Greenland.
do with a nice spa after this. Love this environment. The chilly one. Slushy. She is walking outside of the lines. Wow. Not me. Air is fresh here. Clean. None of that city air. That Toronto city air. No, thank you. And every place we've been on this trip has been absolutely amazing. I'm so glad we did like a 10-day trip. We could see as much of it as possible. Having such a great time. Can I get over the grip of my shoes? Gotta wear your sunglasses around all this snow sometimes. That was a lot of fun. That busy? Think we'll be fine. Look at this place. It's been a while since we've done a spa.
They're trying them all out.
Gotta do as many as possible. Woo. There is a strong wind and a powerful egg-like sulfur smell. Free Wi-Fi? Free Wi-Fi. No password. I'll leave the shoes. Floaters. Water. It's cold. It's cold. This is pretty nice. Let's get in here. Oh, she's in there already. How is it?
It's nice. And it's different because like your feet, I think it's touching the salt. The other one, it was just cement.
I do like the smell.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Does it make you hungry?
It makes me kind of hungry for eggs a little bit. Maybe I'm just hungry. Oh, there's like 2 baths here. You think it's warmer in the other one?
You want to try it?
Alright, we're gonna go to the other one.
Like Bok seems newer, this one's older.
Yeah, this has been here for a while. Well, they didn't care what time we got here.
No, and they didn't say how long we had to stay.
That's right.
Just
Staying forever. Warmer in the other one. It's definitely colder outside of the water. Little place to sit. Oh, you know what? It's actually cooler.
Yeah, why?
Infinity Park. That's an amazing view. Oh, it is cooler here for sure. That's why there's no one in here. Even colder right here. Oh, there's another pool.
It looks like the little volcanic rock. I thought it was salt at the bottom.
What happens if you scoop up a bunch?
That's hard.
That is not a bunch.
No. There. Is that better?
Ew. What is that one at the top?
I don't know, but I think it's 100. I think you boil yourself.
That's the lobster one. So what are the healing properties of this water?
Yeah, I think it makes your skin soft.
Makes my skin happy.
And it's relaxing, right?
I want to be the other one. The warm one. There we go. That's the one. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
That one over there looks like it might be warmer.
Yeah, that's 41.
There's a bit of construction going on over there. I think they're building like a hotel or something.
Oh, I could see that.
Oh, it's so much hotter here. Oh, no, I left it. I need to go back. Do you think they sell eggs inside? Of all the pools that we've been in, which one's your favorite?
All the spas. The Blue Lagoon was special.
Yeah, I don't know what it was.
There's a reason why it's world renowned. I did like the hike just because it was a challenge.
This is our 4th one, right?
There's Blue Lagoon, there's that river, there was like the sheep and laundry thing.
This is our 5th one.
I think tomorrow there's another one.
Ooh, it's windy. That was cool. Some people are sleeping. Look at the drink menu. Beer, wine, cocktails. Then there's these cocktails.
Oh, it's fresh.
The wind is like blowing dust around. If you ever wanted to know what it was like to really enjoy a construction site.
Do you know about after working all day in the construction booth, they come over here?
Oh yeah, like after they're done. How many people in these pools right now are construction people? I would wear my hard hat just to show it off. It's cooler here. From now on, it's nothing but salt baths. Of all the waterfalls that we've been to, which one?
The light is the one that you can go behind the falls because you got wet.
That was our first one. Yeah.
Yeah, and there was a climb to it, and then Skogafoss where we camped. That was pretty amazing.
Yeah, I might have to say Skogafoss.
Yeah, just 'cause it's right there.
Yeah. There's like this platform like right in front of it where you can take really good photos. Dettifoss was also really good.
Ready?
Because it's in this like harsh Arctic environment. Is that a pile of rocks or a mountain over there? Could drive pretty quickly here. Woo. Which one are you going to? That's the shot. I can't see anything. It's so nice in here, although I can't see. Oh, it is so much busier now. It's a lot busier. Oh, look how busy that one got. What time is it? It's 2. There's like a lot of teenagers here. I remember the tour guide the other day telling us that part of their culture is just hanging out in the pools. I saw some Icelandic films listing on the flight over, and I did watch some of the Icelandic travel shorts, and then there was this one Icelandic music video.
Oh, I love
that. Was a comedy.
From A to
A to
Best karaoke song.
It was good. It was really funny. I can't get over how beautiful Iceland is. How strange. What kind of food is good here?
I heard their bread is really good. It's made from geothermic under the ground.
It's really cool.
And they cook it for 24 hours.
It's gonna be a crowded one in there. Whew, it's getting cold. Oh man, that felt so good.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Oh, it's like that Salt water? Oh, coins.
Oh, so this is it. This is the $10.
$10?
Yeah.
Smoked trout on bread. There's farm ice cream.
What is that?
Oatmeal cookie.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Oh,
yeah.
just coming.
Oh, it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining out there.
That's why everyone's here.
This is what I got. Smoked salmon on bread.
That's good.
It looks so good. Salad. I was craving eggs because I could smell eggs in the pool. So I needed to have the salad with the egg. Cafe latte.
This is the bread. It's made in the ground for 24 hours.
Oatmeal cookie. This salmon, it smells so good. Look at all the smokiness of it.
Oh, cheers.
This is the bread that she was talking about. You can really taste the geothermal.
It's goulash.
Oh, it's goulash. Got it.
Soup for Vikings.
It's the Viking soup, right? Yeah, and you can really taste the Viking. And they tease you with the egg smell when you crave eggs.
Only you.
So locally smoked salmon
Geothermic bread.
on geothermic bread. Like anything can be geothermicized. You just put it on top of a vent.
No, it's underground. So it must be like an underground.
If you have an underground geothermal pocket, just throw stuff in it and geothermicize everything. Cheers. I love salmon. This is really good. So Icelandic. And there's butter on it. That's good. So the waters we were bathing in, they are rich in minerals like silica, sulfur, and alkaline materials, which are known for their soothing and skin beneficial properties. And the water is chemical free. There's no chlorine
That's nice.
or disinfectants. It's naturally filtered and purified by lava rock and geothermal processes. And for the smell, due to the sulfur, you'll notice a faint rotten egg smell, which is totally normal for geothermal waters in Iceland. But it also made me crave eggs. Okay, I don't know about this weather. Oh, it's raining. First it was wind, now it is rain. What kind of country is this? Ooh, I can smell it again. We've had nice weather for most of the trips. What are we looking for?
No. Like this is on private property too.
Ooh, shaking.
Yeah.
Can't be it. Really?
No, I think that's it. Oh, wait a second. There's like a little path.
Let's get some rain stuff on.
Oh.
What?
Salmon, yay!
Looks busy. The Jon Snow cave from Game of Thrones. That's what this one is. I watched maybe the first 3 or 4 seasons of Game of Thrones, and then I sort of lost interest. This looks dangerous. Let's check out this cave. I'm gonna have to rewatch that scene. Like, where were they? So, it's kind of dark in here.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. It's really nice.
Can you feel the Jon Snow?
It's gorgeous. I can't get over how clear it is.
Yeah. Let's touch the waters. Yeah, it's warm. Confirmed. Alert the scientists. Alright, let's get out of here. Forgot it was raining.
Can you go up here?
Sure. She does not care about the rain. She is a rain bunny. You're not gonna put your hood on at least? Whoa.
That's a huge fault line.
Explains the hot geothermic activity. That is cool. How far the fault line goes. Really? Oh, she crossed it. She crossed the fault line like there was no fault. Okay, so it doesn't go that far. So what did you think of this Game of Thrones cave?
I really wanted to go in the water.
Yeah, like jump in the water and go for a swim?
Yeah, because it was nice and hot. And
Yeah.
it didn't feel like too hot. Like it just felt...
Some people were recommending against that in the comments.
Yeah, I think they were saying it was too hot. The temperature probably changes. It's not regular.
Yeah, like
It's
what
really
if the temperature
clear.
just suddenly went super hot and
Yeah.
turned you into a lobster?
I don't want to be a lobster.
They've done it. See some sky over there. Maybe the rain won't last for that long. There you go. That was a fault line and a Jon Snow. Could not finish that television series, Game of Thrones. It's cool. It is shaky. We're at this crater. We saw one crater earlier in our vacation. This will be an even bigger one. Looks like a hike. Hiking. Pay zone. So much easier just to do it on your phone.
Off we go on our hike, the crater.
This is not your typical hike.
Do you think we'll need oxygen max when we get there?
Yeah? Uh-huh. I know from experience. They did not bring one for me. Hiverfell. It's a big circle. It's an eruption rift and was formed during a large phreatic eruption about 2,500 years ago. Upward motion. I really want to take one of these lava rocks home. That is so cool. But I don't think I could get this through airport security. Could I?
Crater's 100 meters high, and 1,000 meters circumference around. Like it starts off like tough. Like no joking around. Straight up the hill we go.
Yeah. They don't mess around. You're going up. So I read it's bad luck to bring a lava rock home. One from nature, I guess. Yeah, the environmental protection, they don't want you to take them. Oh, look at this. This reminds me of Coron, Philippines.
Oh, the steps?
Yeah. Except there are no steps.
Driving here is a trip.
You know, yeah, just getting here was, woo, it's a climb. In some respects, we're climbing a volcano. But this crater is the next best thing. It's windy out here. A lot of hiking. A love it. Ooh, the view. Still got a ways to go. This is exhilarating. Way too windy to drone up here. Woo. That is impressive. It's so cool.
It's like a huge quarry.
So windy out here. Decided not to hike around the entire circumference. It's 1,000 meters.
Yeah.
That's a lot of meters. 1 kilometer is too many kilometers. Woo! Windy. Go down the crater. Check it out.
I think I just roll down
I don't even know how we would get back up.
on the outside and do
Okay.
a diagonal.
She's got a plan. Oh, let's get some shots of it. I am so full of wind right now.
I know.
Brisk air is refreshing, as refreshing as... Woo! The wind blew me into you. It was unintentional. Now we're stuck. Oh, I can feel the warmth. Too hot, too hot, too hot. Let's go down. We've had quite the day today.
Yeah, we went to the spa and then we climbed up a dormant volcano.
Yeah, and we're still there.
We gotta go down.
Now we gotta go down.
Down's easier.
Yeah, down should be easier.
Yeah. Oh, where'd you go?
Oh! She almost dropped her phone.
How far do you think it would fall?
I don't mind going down. Although I'm afraid of slipping. What a day we've had. Alright, here's a little ripple thing happening here. Crevasses. Bunch of crevasses. You can see my house from here, and it's a red van. Is that another crater? It's a circle. I did not notice that. Every year I need to hike a volcanic crater. Oh, I'm gonna miss this place. I think I might have to figure out how to hike an actual volcano. One that hasn't imploded on itself. I miss the wind. I wonder how busy this place gets in the summer. I need to do more adventure things. Walking up that was pretty fun.
It's huge. Ready to go to our campsite?
So I was gonna take this lava rock. It's bad luck to take a lava rock. People have actually mailed their rocks back with apology notes because they've experienced such bad luck. I don't believe in luck, but I appreciate the lore. Everfall, you were awesome. Driving out of here, not so awesome. That wasn't so bad. Just had to do a quick stop and Look at this volcano. But it's so windy out here. Woo! It is called Vindbelgur. It is a 529 meter volcano northwest of Lake Mývatn. The lake was formed during a massive eruption 2,300 years ago. Checking into our campsite. This is like in the middle of nowhere. We passed like a million farms to get here. And I kept thinking it's a prank. It's apparently real. This is where we are in Iceland right now, the north. Why aren't you focusing? Focus. Right there.
It's time.
Camera's tired from all the shooting?
Mm-hmm.
Is it because there's too much shooting? There. And we thought we were going to be alone at this campsite. At least I thought we were going to be alone. Their neighbors just showed up. Dinner for tonight. Vegetables, noodles, ground beef.